Okay, today we're trying something new. This is called honey pomelo. I've never tried it before. So apparently this is the daddy of all citrus fruit. It's one of the original fruit. So we're gonna try it. It's all citrus fruit. So we're gonna try it and see what it's like. Apparently this is where how they made grapefruit. Grapefruit stem from this. So we're gonna see what this is like. Let's see what this is. Am I doing it right? We'll find out. Can smell it already. Smells like mango. Okay. So this is the white one. Because I've seen some other one that's got yellow, reddish inside, like grapefruit. Okay. I'm experimenting today. It's like a massive orange. A massive tangerine. There's seeds in it. Or at least there's seeds in it. Okay. Very strange, but hey. He's just a massive orange. Let's taste this pomelo. Like I said, it's like a massive orange or grapefruit. This is white. But there's different colors. Orange. It's like orange. You got that sweet and a bittery taste like grapefruit. So I can see where the grapefruit stem from. It's quite nice actually. Yeah, this experiment is good. I'll be getting more of this. Nice one.